Hello friends, myself Dr. Irfan, Faculty of Commerce. In last video, we are discussed about the meaning of transportation, methods of transportation and types of transportation. Now, now this video we solve the problem related to transportation problem. Just check out the problem. Solve transportation problem through NWCR method. NWCR means here northwest corner rule method for the following data. They are given one particular table. In this table, okay, origin is there, origin B1, B2, B3 and origin A1, A2, A3. Okay, in origin we are having a A1 and B1, okay, and A2 and B2 and A3 and B3. After that, supply also available, demand also available. Okay, supply is 150 and demand also 150. Now these are the respective values. Okay, now this box shows that cell. Okay, empty box shows that cell. Okay, this value is showing that matrix. Okay, the cell is different and matrix is different. Now they're asking solve transportation problem through NWCR for the following data. Okay, before solving the problem, first you have to check out the supply and demand is equal or no. Equal means here same or no. See here in supply 30 plus 70 100 150 150 is there. Demand 40 plus 60 100 150 150 is there. It means here it is a balanced problem, balanced transportation problem. It means here when supply and demand is equal is called a balanced transportation problem. Okay, come to the solution. Okay, you should write down all the values same, origin A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Okay, you should write down cell and matrix, supply and demand. Okay, now they're asking solve transportation problem through NWCR, northwest corner rule. Okay, now northwest corner means here you can start from here, this area, this angle. Okay, it is called a northwest. Okay, now after that, before allocating the respective allocation, okay, variables, you should take down, you should see the supply and demand. Okay, see here supply is how much here, A1 supply is 30 and B1 demand is 40. Okay, which one list here, 30 and 40, which one list here, 30 is list. Okay, now here make a one box and you should write down 30. Okay, 30 means here 30 minus 30 0. Now here minus 30 available is 10. Okay, in A1 supply is not available. It means here you make a mark into mark. Why? Because supply is not available. But here in B1 demand is available 10. Okay, come to the next. See here supply is 70, demand is 10. Which one list here, demand. Okay, you should fulfill the demand. Minus 10 equal to 0. Next here 70 minus 10 equal to 60. Now here demand is 0 into mark. Next come to the B column, A row. Okay, into is there because here supply is already fulfilled. Come to the A2. Okay, in A2 here supply is available 60, demand is how much, 60. Here fulfill the demand as well as supply. Into here also into. Okay, and last one, last matrix is available, last cell is available, demand also 50 and supply also 50. Fifty minus 50 0, 50 minus 50 0. See allocation, see 30 supply, 10 plus 60 70 50. Okay, next year 30 plus 10 40 60 and 50. Now this is the method of a calculation of northwest corner rule. After that you should calculation of transportation cost. You should calculate transportation cost. See here, every cell having a matrix is also having a some allocation values. For example, take a in this cell we are having a matrix as well as the allocation value. Okay, now matrix is 6 into how much allocation 30. Plus, okay, next 2 is the matrix into, and allocation is 10 plus, next 7 is the matrix and allocation is 60. Next 6 is the matrix and allocation is 50. See, allocation is 50. Okay, come to the calculation part. 6 into 30 180 plus 2 into 10 20 plus 7 into 60 420 plus 6 into 50 300. Add 180 plus 20 200, 200 plus 420 620 plus 300 920. Okay, the total transportation cost is 920 rupees. Okay, calculation of transportation cost. Okay, now it is a very simple problem. Okay, now if you understood this simple problem, you can understood the respective lengthy problem also. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends.